Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website, you can improve your um, online presence, outline your competition, and of course, getting you more potential patients. So first things first, I have your website below here, and I see that you're targeting for a specific keywords, but probably not doing what they're supposed to because um, I can see that you're bolding these words over here. Um, they're not going to be working as you decide, and I'll show you why. But if you're going to be adding content, in this case, wording, you have to make sure that it's relevant, original, and it has to include the keywords that you want to be found for. For example, dentist, Skillman, New Jersey. But I don't think that that specific keyword has too much of a volume of search. Um, but if you want to expand your reach, you'll have to consider other cities, surrounding cities that are located near you. But overall, content has to be very important here. And let me show you because I have here the backend of your website, and you're being found for 611 keywords. This is bringing you around 150 visits a month to your website, and you have over 100 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other websites that are mentioned in your site and will give you power so it can be found on Google as well. And this will be increasing the domain rating and the URL rating, but not all backlinks are created equal. So you can have thousands and hundreds of backlinks, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most important, if they're not targeting the keywords that you need to be found for, this will be completely useless. So let's take a look at the keywords that you're being found for example. And we can see here, and this is just the first page, right? You can see here that there's not that many keywords, relevant keywords that actually can bring some more patients into your website. Let's take a look at the second page. Um, Soreness, best toothpaste for porcelain crowns. So that's one of the things that do you really want to be found for this keyword? Do you think those will bring you new patients? I don't think so. Skillman, NJ to Princeton, NJ. There's not that relevance on that. And I can keep going on, but I don't want to waste too much of the time. So I went on Google and type out Dentist Skillman, New Jersey. Now, this specific keyword, it doesn't have that much of a volume, but it's really important as well because you're targeting number one, so that's perfect. And this is the map section that we all know. And then we have the organic section, and you're ranking number one as well, which is absolutely great. And then you have this guy's over here, number two, number three. But I can show you here that Dentist in New Jersey is very easy to find, and it only has an average of 10 searches a month. But that's a really low volume for this specific keyword in comparison to, for example, Dentist Princeton, New Jersey. You can see here. I'm going to show here really quick. It has the difficulty is medium. That means it will take a little bit longer to rank for that specific keyword. But there's an average of 250 searches a month, and if you would be running Google Ads, it would cost you $4.50 each time somebody clicks on it. And I'll explain that in a second as well. But this is very important to understand because these 250 searches a month for this specific keyword means that you can take advantage of those searches and try to lead new patients into your website. So for this keyword, you have, of course, the traditional Google Ads. This is what I was telling you that you pay every time somebody clicks on it. Then you have the map section. You have Dental Care Princeton, Princeton Dental Group, Princeton Park Dental Associates. Then you have the organic sessions, number one, number two. And regardless of your location, you can be here as well, even if you're in Stillman, New Jersey. But this is very important because you can actually be here if you'll be targeting the specific keyword. And same thing here. But if you're not in any of these two, that means that you could be missing a lot of opportunities to increase new leads or new more potential patients into your website. So for the purpose of the video, I want to pull out these guys and we're going to see why they're ranking number one. So you can see that they have a lot of information here. Something wrong. There you go. Information over here. They're probably targeting the correct keywords, or the backlinks are also helping to rank for that specific keyword as well. If we look at the back end of their website, you can see they're being only found for 357 keywords. Is getting them around 195 visits to their website, and they have around 420 backlinks. In comparison to you, let's go see here. You've been found for more keywords. Again, this is very um, uh, not relevant in this case because the people that are actually seeing your website are being driven by keywords that are not converting to patients. So really important to understand. And even though you have only 102 backlinks, again, this number is irrelevant. If they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, this would not increase, and the chances for you to be found will decrease if they're not actually good, powerful links. So going back over here, let's take a look on the keywords they're being found for really quick. And of course, dentist, Prince, New Jersey, 250 searches a month, like I was showing you. And for their ranking number two, number one is the keywords over here, but they're getting 31 visits for these 250 searches straight to their website. So you can see how they're taking advantage of the volume search and it is being driven to their website. Some of the people that are actually looking for that. Princeton Dentist, they're ranking for this as well, 200 searches a month, and 13 are going straight to their website. So very, very important to understand. And depending on your goals and or the target that you want to aim for, you can target the cities, Freehold, Princeton, and depending on the volume search, it can be viable or not, but keep that in mind. So I don't want to take too much of your time. If you think we can help you out, we can definitely help you out. But if, most important, if you have any questions about this and how this whole thing works, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to assist you, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.